Hey guys, my name's Charlie. I'm here with Mode Distributing at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. I'm here to talk to you guys today about ventahood, but we've actually color matched it. We've added brass accents. Ventahood is a brand that is super customizable, but as well has liners and traditional style hoods as well. These guys are out of Richardson, Texas, and we specialize in our magic lung. So if you look inside of this canopy here, you can see a nice inviting canopy as well as separate blowers, which are very free flowing. A lot of customers are used to seeing baffle filters, which initially are a restrictor. Ventahood happens to be the quietest, the safest, and the most efficient hood on the market. Quietest due to the fact that we don't have any restrictors. Efficient because we're able to keep a free flowing system. So this particular 900 CFM system is equivalent to roughly 1200 CFM. We are the safest because we are able to achieve 99% grease extraction with our patented Magic Lung system, where the running baffle filter is going to give you roughly 66% efficiency. If you'd like to experience the ventahood difference, please come visit Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center here in Torrance, Costa Mesa, Studio City, Calabasas, and Santa Clarita. The hood is on.